Ancient wisdom associates the water element with our emotional body. Water's restorative and purifying qualities can greatly benefit our emotional well-being. Simply being in the presence of natural flowing water systems can induce a calming and peaceful emotional state. A gently flowing river offers us much wisdom and insight. We can take inspiration from how it so effortlessly journeys ahead. What might the river teach you about living more freely, peacefully, and in flow? When we're stressed, we're in a state of resistance. Our muscles are tense. Our mind is busy, and everything seems to require so much more effort and energy. Quite the opposite of how a river operates. Rivers just flow, don't they? They easily navigate their way around challenges and obstacles. Water is soft and flexible. It adapts to its circumstances. Yet water is also strong and powerful. Even the hardest of rock can be overcome by the gentleness of water. So water's resilience comes from flowing rather than forcing, allowing rather than resisting. If we continually swim upstream against the current, we will eventually become exhausted. It is far easier to move with the direction of the current, and we know when we're flowing with the current because of the way we feel. You see, our emotions are our roadmap, our inner compass. Where might your emotions be guiding you? Emotion is energy moving through the body. The Latin word quite literally translates to energy in motion. This energy creates sensations that either contract or expand. Expansive sensations feel light and easy, whereas contraction feels dense and restrictive. So you can see why water is associated with emotions, as both are fluid, moving resources. And as such, emotions are meant to flow through us. They're meant to be felt and released. They're meant to help us navigate our journey. It is the pushing down, avoiding and suppressing our emotions that leads to a build-up of tension, stress and energetic blocks in the body. Just like water with no place to go, trapped emotions stagnate, but water must continue to flow. So a little heat, a little fire is added to move things along. And flow is restored. Likewise, until we express suppressed emotions, we will continue to attract situations and people that ignite and trigger them within us, until we eventually release them. And after rain comes expansion, new growth. So, flowing with the current of the river is to flow with the current of your own emotions. By expressing your feelings and exploring what they're revealing to you. Remembering that all emotions have meaning, purpose, and value. It is this awareness and exploration that strengthens our emotional resilience, which is the foundation for living a more fulfilling life. So, whilst this calming nature exercise will help release current stress and tension you're experiencing, the best way to alleviate stress in your life is through a preventative approach, by taking the time for self-care and learning to tune in to your emotions. You can watch our nature practice for self-care video for how to do this. So, for this nature connection exercise, you'll need to visit a natural flowing water source, such as a river, creek, or stream. If you're able to, and it is safe to do so, stand in the water with the current flowing away from you. Or you can sit or stand close enough so that you can both see and hear the water, again facing downstream. You can also choose to do this barefoot for either option, for a deeper connection. Just choose whichever is the safest and most comfortable option for you. Now, tune into the sight and sound of the water, and if you're in the water, feel into the sensations on your skin too. Become completely immersed in the movement and flow of the water. Continuing to focus on the water flowing away from you, using directional breath, take a long, slow, deep inhale down into your heart space, the area in the center of your chest, and then slowly and gently exhale upwards and out. Do this a few times to find your rhythm. Then, on your next inhale down, tense all your muscles, beginning with your forehead, tightening your jaw, your shoulders, clenching your fists, your stomach, curling your toes. Tighten everything whilst retaining your breath for as long as you can. Then, with a long, slow, upward exhale, let it all go. Release the tension. Release the stress. Imagine this all flowing down the river. If you need a visual aid, you can imagine this constricted energy as a coloured liquid flowing out of your body and dissolving into the water and downstream. You may feel this expression as simply a feeling of relief, or there may be emotions that surface through tears, thoughts, words, pictures, or something else. Just stay present and notice how it feels to just let go, to allow, to express, to feel, to heal. You can do this for as long as you need to, and until you feel lighter and more relaxed. And you may like to stay by the river, observing the water for a while, allowing any further insights and inspiration to surface. Here's a recap of the steps. Visit a natural flowing water source, such as a river. Sit or stand facing downstream. Using directional breath, connect to your heart. Inhale as you tense all your muscles. Exhale as you release everything. Imagine it all flowing downstream. Allow associated thoughts and feelings to be expressed. Feeling emotions takes courage, so be proud of yourself, as this will be a huge step towards emotional freedom. Beneath the layers of programming lies the deepest truths of who you are, the wisdom of your heart, the wisdom of your soul. And this is all the wisdom you'll ever truly need. Allow your emotions to flow, and they will guide you there. After all, All rivers lead to the ocean, their source, their centre, their heart, the place where true freedom and peace can be found.